Oh man, it's happening. Getting the 2J. Alright guys, I look weird with this mask. I got elf ears going on, but we are here at Tennessee JDM Motors, and I'm getting this 2J, man. This 2J ZGE, and I'm gonna put some ITBs on it. Alright peoples, the 2J's in the truck. I might actually pay you to do that for real. You might need to get good at it. Alright, look, 2J's in the truck. I know the sun's behind me and it's extra dark, but right now we're strapping it down. This is the moment I never thought would happen, but the motor's in it. Yo, this is real. This is real. Like, that's a whole
ass engine in the back of the truck.
And it's the one I wanted. 2JZ is at home and it's in the carport right now. Had to move some things around. Brought the engine lift up here. Get it off the truck, move the G90 up a little bit so we can kind of place it right here for now. And then later on go return this truck and then we can figure out what we're gonna do next. Fun times. Oh God, you finna. I'm tired, he's tired, but the motor's here. It's at the house. There's a 2J that I'm touching that I honestly thought I would never have. And funny enough, got it with Dogecoin because of this spike that's going up. So, one, got a 2J, two, Dogecoin helped me do it. Good looking out. Everything looks good right now. Just kind of got it sitting over here up on these race ramps. I know it's not like the proper thing, but this is just momentary till we find a better spot to put it. Oh, fun times ahead. 2J. If I can get the strap out of the way.